Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to discuss some of the important reasoning questions and concepts that are frequently asked in the competitive exams. So stay focused till the end and let's begin our journey to master reasoning. Now let us move to the question number 1. Find the missing number. Now we have been given a matrix. In these types of question we have to find the logic either column wise or row wise. Now let us try row wise logic. Now if we find the sum of digit, 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 times 6 is 30. Similarly in the row 2, 1 plus 8 is 9, 1 plus 7 is 8, 9 times 8 is 72. So we'll apply same logic to find this missing number. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 7 times 9 is 63. Option C is the correct answer. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 2. Find the option that best completes the analogy. 25 is to 576, 32 is to 961. We have to find 47 is to this missing number. Now we'll start with 25. If we subtract 1 from it, we get a 24, and if we square 24, we get 576. Similarly, 32 minus 1 is 31. 31 square is 961. So we'll apply same logic to find this missing number. We have 47 here. 47 minus 1 is 46. 46 square is 2116. Option B is the correct answer. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 3. Find the missing term in the series. We have 28, 59, 179, 361 and we have to find this missing number. Now we'll start with 28. 28 times 2 is 56. If we add 3, we get 59. 59 times. Now we multiply by 3. We get 177. If we add 2, we get 179. Now 179 times 2 is 358. If we add 3, we get 361. So we'll apply the same logic to find this missing number. Now first we multiply by 2 and then added 3. Then we multiplied by 3 and added 2. Now for this missing number we will be multiplying 361 by 3. We get 1083 and now we will be adding 2. We get 1085. Option A is the correct answer. Now let us move to the next question. Number 4, what come next? 95, 86, 59, 54, 31, 30 and we have to find this missing number. Now we know that 10 square is 100. If we subtract 5, we get 95. Similarly, 9 square is 81. Now if we add 5, we get 86. 8 square is 64. If we subtract 5, we get 59. 7 square is 49. If we add 5, we get 54. 6 square is 36. If we subtract 5, we get 31. 5 square is 25. Now if we add 5, we get 30. So we'll apply same logic to find this missing number. We are having the squares 10 square, 9 square, 8 square. So for this missing number it will be 4 square, that is 16. We have subtracted and added 5 alternatively. Before that we have added 5, now we will be subtracting 5. We get 11. Option A is the correct answer. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 5. Identify the odd one. Now we have 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and 21. Now we notice that 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19 are all prime numbers. But 21 is not the prime number. So 21 is odd one out. Option A is the correct answer. Now let us move to the next question. Now question number 6. Find the missing term in the series. We have 2, 6, 18, 54 and we have to find this missing term. Now 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 times 3 is 54. So for this missing number, 54 times 3, 162. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 7, we have to find the missing number. Now we have been given a matrix, so we have to find the logic row wise or column wise to find this missing number. Now let us try the logic row wise. Now if we square 3, 3 square plus 2 square plus this 5 square, this is 9 plus 4 plus 25. This gives 38. Similarly, we'll try with row 3 also. 7 square is 49, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. If we add 49 plus 1 plus 4 gives 54. So we'll apply same logic to find this missing number. This missing number will be 5 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. 25 plus 9 plus 16, that gives 50. Option C is the correct answer. Let us move to the next question. Question number 8, find the option that best completes the analogy. 13 is to 172, we have to find 17 is to this missing number. Now we know that 13 square is 169. If we add 3, we get 172. So we'll apply same logic to find this missing number. 17 square is 289. If we add 3, we get 292. Option C is the correct answer. Let us move to the next question. Question number 9, find the odd one out. 729, 1331, 2197 and 3125. Now this can be written as 9 power 3. This is 11 power 3. This is 13 power 3. And 3125 is 5 power 5. Now the first three numbers are the perfect cubes, whereas 3125 is a perfect fifth power. So option D, this will be odd one out, is the correct answer. Question number 10, find a number that breaks the pattern. We have 3, 7, 15, 31, 63, 120. So let us start with 3. 3 times 2 is 6. If we add 1, we get 7. Similarly, 7 times 2 is 14. If we add 1, we get 15. 15 times 2 is 30. If we add 1, we get 31. 31 times 2 is 62. If we add 1, we get 63. 63 times 2 is 126. If we add 1, we get 127. So 120 is the number that breaks the pattern. So option D is the correct answer. Let us 11. What comes next? Now we have 5, 14, 9, 18, 13, 22, 17 and we have to find this missing number. Now this is a mixed series. Now let us first start with the odd positions. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. We'll go through the even position. 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. So for this missing number, 22 plus 4, that gives 26. Option A is the correct answer. Now, question number 12, which of the number set is different from others? Now let us observe each set one by one. 9, 18 and 36. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 times 2 is 36. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 times 2 is 48. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 times 2 is 28. But here 29 is given. Let's check the fourth set also. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. So 7, 14, 29 is different from the others. So option C will be the correct answer. Question number 13, what should come in the place of the question mark in the following series? We have 2, 3, 8, 9, 26, 27 and we have to find this missing number. Now this is a mixed series. We will start with the even positions. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Now for the odd positions, 2 times 3 is 6. If we add 2, we get 8. Similarly, 8 times 3 is 24. If we add 2, we get 26. So we apply same logic to find this missing number. 26 times 3 gives 78. If we add 2, we get 80. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 14, which of the following is odd one out? Now we have 6, 10, 14. These are all even numbers and a multiple of 2. Okay. B part is 3, 7, 11. These are all odd numbers. 8, 16, 24, again even numbers, and these are odd numbers. Now if we observe, here 17 and 13 are prime, but 9 is not prime, okay. If we check part B, 3, 7, 11 are all prime numbers. So these are odd one out. Option B will be the correct answer. Question number 15, find the odd one out. We'll start with part A. 4 square is 16. 16 square is 256. Similarly, 3 square is 9, 9 square is 81. Part C, 5 square is 25, but 25 square is 625. Here it is given 125. Let us check part D also. 6 square is 36, 36 square is 1296. So option C is the odd one out. This will be the correct answer. That's all for the today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Keep practicing reasoning every day and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you.